Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently doing a short series of Christmas nail designs. This is video number 7 out of 12, so make sure to turn on notifications and hit subscribe so you're reminded about the upcoming videos. If you've happened to miss out on the previous 6 videos, make sure to click this link right here and it will take you to the 12 days of Christmas nail art playlist. If you try out one of these designs, make sure to tag me in your post. Enjoy the video! I'm going to start by doing 2 layers of black gel polish. Once both of those layers are cured, I'm going to go in with a gel top coat. This will allow me to remove the design easily if I mess up. Then I'm going to take a fine nail art brush and some white gel polish. I'm going to start by drawing a T shape in the corner of the nail. Once I do this, then I'm going to go back and add an X in between these lines. This is the base of the snowflake. Then I'm going to go back with the small side of my dotting tool and add dots to the ends of each of these lines. If you're really happy with how something is looking, you can go ahead and cure. That way if you mess up on future steps, you don't have to completely redo the whole thing. Then I'm going back to the fine nail art brush and I'm going to add some V shapes right underneath the dots. Now I'm going to go back and add a small line in between each of these lines. Then I'm going to take some more white gel polish and go over the snowflake lines again. I wanted the lines with the dots on them to be a little bit darker than the small lines, so I only went over the long lines. Now I'm going to do the exact same steps for another snowflake right below this one. Once I have the second snowflake like I like, I'm gonna go ahead and cure the nail. Now I'm gonna go in with a no wipe gel top coat. Before I cure this layer, I'm going to go ahead and add some black crystals to the centers of the snowflakes. Then cure for 60 seconds. I hope you guys really liked this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below of what you think of this design, and don't forget to hit subscribe to see the rest of the 12 Days of Christmas Nail Art series. See you guys in the next video. Bye!